Lee Company caught my eye because it's a place to believe in giving folks a second chance. Opening doors when others might not see the possibilities. Took a chance on me when others wouldn't, and I jumped at the opportunity. In the world of large construction, every day is a new challenge. Different job sites and different crews. It keeps the blood pumping and the work is interesting. Lee Company gives you the tools and knowledge to better yourself. They give you the tools to learn the trade. They're all about pushing you forward, providing a way to learn and grow continuously through Lee Company University. Throughout the past 11 years, I've seen some serious growth. Lee Company knowledge and support has turned me into a leader and mentor for the guys on the crew. My self-esteem is through the roof, and I trust myself more than ever. Lee Company isn't just a job, they're about the people. They listen when you need them, always ready to lend a hand. It's not just professional growth, they care about you personally, making sure you take responsibility on your own path. For everyone eyeing a career in the trades, my advice is simple. Find a trade that feels right, fall in love with it, and take pride in your craft. I have a purpose today. I have a purpose to get up and come to work. And what's keeping me here even more is just the people I meet every day. Lee Company took a chance on me, and I'm thankful every day. It's giving me purpose and reason to get out of bed and hit the site with everything I got.